Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit your image in Grok. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Grok. Then, press enter and click on the official Grok website from the search results. Once Grok opens, sign into your account if required. Now, click on the plus button next to the chat bar. From the menu that appears, select the File Upload option. Then, choose a picture you want to edit from your computer and click Open after your image is uploaded. Click on the chat box and type the prompt describing the changes you want to make to the picture. For better results, write a detailed prompt explaining exactly what you want to edit, such as changing the background, removing objects, improving the quality, or adding new elements. Once your prompt is ready, click the Send button. Grok will now process your request and generate the edited version of your image. This may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the edits. After the image is generated, you can preview the edited result and compare it with the original. If you want to make more changes, simply enter another prompt and Grok will update the image again. And that's it. If you liked the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.